Hey guys, thanks for watching my lesson 11. So today I'm gonna teach you how to use the basic light in 3D Max. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so now you just go to create, and then the first one is geometry. Okay, you just go to number 3, this one, lights. So you just open. Actually here have a list, so you can open. The first one, photometry, is if you're using the renderers, then you can using photometry. Okay, so if the standard, okay, if you are using the default renderers, then you just using the standard. So today I'm gonna teach you how to use the standard light. And then the last one, VRAD actually is an advanced level. Okay, in future I will teach you how to use 3D Max plus VRAD. That one is an advanced level. Okay, so today I just start standard first. Okay, so I just select, and then after you select, you can see here have a few types. The first one is a target spot, and then the second one is a free spot, target direct, free direct, Omni and Skylight. So today I will teach you how to use Omni and Skylight. So for the next lesson, I will teach you how to use target spot and target direct, including free spot and free direct. Okay, so now we start. Okay, so now you just click the Omni. Okay, after that you just go to the top. Okay, just click. Actually, if you want to create Omni, you just click on it, just like that. And then after that done already, then just select and move. So now you can see here, this one is an Omni lighting. But remember, if you go to top view to create the light, and then now you can double check. Okay, the front and left view, you can see the light actually is a floor level, so you need to tap up. Okay, and this one, what level you want, that one is depend what lighting you want to what lighting the position you want to put. Okay, let's say you can put the outside one, or maybe you can put the internal one. Okay, and then we just using this model. Okay, this mini booth to do the to do some sample, because easy to explain for me. Okay, so now you can see here we have a Omni already. So actually Omni is something like similar point source light. Okay, so if you want to create some basic lighting, okay, then you can use the Omni light. Okay, so let's say now I want to put here the lighting, this one the Omni light. Then now you just select again, go to modify, and then you can see here actually is a Omni setting. The first, this one is called general parameters. Actually general parameters, you can see the light type normally is on. If you're not on, that means not any lighting. Okay, before I continue, okay, because here have a light already, so now, okay, I just choose probabilistic view, and then try to render. Let's say here I want to render one angle like this, so we just keep render production. Okay, so now you can see, this one is a light effect, but haven't complete, because we just got one lighting, because normally in one scene is more than one lighting. Okay, so just close this one. So now select the Omni again. Then now, okay, this one if you off, that means deselect. Then you try render again. You select the probabilistic view. You select which one you want to render. Just click again. Then you can see, oh, it's a black color. That means not any color inside. Okay, so now select the Omni again, on again. Okay, the next shadow. Normally, if you want to make the logical, okay, this one you need to on, because if you got the light, okay, must got the shadow in fact. Okay, remember, so this one you need to on, select again, then now you render. Then you can see, actually have a shadow already. Okay, maybe you can try to make some zoom in, so easy to see the effect. Let's say here, have a counter and chair. So if I got the light already and then got the shadow also, so you just open, render. Then you can see, this one is a shadow. So now, close. So now, okay, keep select the Omni, because I need to teach step by step how to use the basic, how to set out the basic setting. So shadow on already, and then this one actually is a shadow effect. Okay, you just open. Okay, actually have a few, but the last two actually is a VRAD. Because now we are using the default renderers, so we cannot use the VRAD shadow. Okay, so these two you can skip. Okay, so now you can see here have a advanced red trace, area shadow matte, and red trace shadow. But normally we are using the red trace shadow. Next again, okay, you can see here extrude. What meaning? Okay, let's say if some object, okay, you don't want to let the Omni light, this one, to support the object. Okay, then you can extrude which object you don't want to support. You can select extrude which object you don't want this Omni light support the object. Okay, let's say okay, example this one. What you need to remember, you need to double check the name. Select the object. This check first box 006. Okay, so remember the name. So now select the light again. Extrude. Then you can see the setting. So you go to find out check first box 006. Okay, then you click this one. Go to the right hand side. Just click. Okay. Now, if you render, then you can see any happen and any different. Then you can see here, all is a black color. Actually, not the black color. This one actually is because I don't want the Omni light support the object. So that means after if extrude already, then you render this this will become like black color because not any lighting support this object. Okay, something like that. So just close. If you don't want, you want to undo, just click extrude again. Just select the name, double click, go back. Then okay again. And then now you render, you can see the object, the chair cut out already. Okay, so now, okay, we keep going to another setting. Okay, so this one, intensity color attenuation, this one is a multiplayer, this one is a something like light amount. Okay, so normally it's 1. Okay, so another side, this one is a lighting color. Okay, because this one is a white color. If you want to put some color, different color, maybe blue, pink color, or yellow color also can. Depend what color you want. Okay, so now we go back again. Go to the normal layout. Like just now I said, because normally one scene we cannot just use one lighting. Okay, it's more than one lighting. So you can imagine this booth. How many light we need to put on the top here. Okay, so imagine maybe I want to put 1, 2, 3, 9, something like that. So you just press shift up. But this time, remember, you need to use instant. If the lighting is the same lighting, okay, same color, you need to use instant. Just click OK. Okay, undo again. I need to copy. And then number of copy, just put 2. Or he will come up another one. So now you select this tree again, press shift, take up, copy again. So now we have a 9 Omni lighting. But remember, if just now how to open the previous rendering image, okay, you just click this one, render frames window. You can check back, use one. Then you can see the lighting. You can see the light. Is it the amount, the power enough or not? Because this one is a multiplayer is 1. Okay, this one multiplayer is 1. You can double check. Okay, so imagine if now I have a 9 Omni light, all the multiplayer is 1. So that means 1 times 9 totally have multiplayer 9. So that means if you got 9 Omni light, so that means render there will be overlap the light. You see, 2 over, 2 higher. So you need to, okay, setting the multiplier amount. Let's say now I have 9. So maybe this one I just put 0.15 should be okay. So double check again. Is it okay or not? Something like that. That will be more better. Okay? And then you can see the lighting will be more stable. If you see the renderers, you can see the light. So now, okay, let's continue again. Select only one of them. You can choose one of them. Because after you select, other will follow. Because I'm using the instant copy the lighting. So now this one is 0.15 already. But here you can put something like different color. But if you choose the color, you set the color, other also will follow. Like now I'm using red color. Now, okay, I just full screen, just on maximum viewable toggle, so easy to see. So now, if this one I change red color, so other will follow. You can double check. You see, oh, it's black color. It's a red color. How you render, they will become like red color. Select again, change. Maybe you can set up some like wall color like that. Then render again. There will be more logic. You can see the inside all the lighting effect. Okay, so now close again. Okay, move down again. Okay, so now, okay, I just take the viewpoint to explain about this Omni light. Okay, so I no need to select one by one because this one is a basic for the beginner. Okay, normally we have which setting we were using or what. Okay, so object shadow. Okay, this one is shadow parameters. This one, that means is color, shadow color, because normally it's black color. If you want to put like pink color, then after that you render, then you can see the shadow will be changed to pink color. Okay, so now change back to the black. So this all actually is a Omni setting. So you just remember viewpoint only. Shadow you need to on, and then this one multiplayer. Okay, the light power and then the light color. That's all for the Omni light. Okay, so now, okay, continue to another one. Okay, Skylight. Actually, Skylight, if you're just using the advanced renderer Skylight, okay, Skylight will be the best with advanced lighting. Okay, and then the Skylight more suitable for external light. Okay, so how to using the Skylight? Okay, you just select the Skylight, go back to the normal layout, then go to the top view, just create one. Because if you want to use Skylight, just need one only, no need to create more than one. Okay, so now, because this one top view, I create from top view, so you need to take out. Okay, something like that, just one only. So now how to adjust, how to modify? Okay, select the Skylight, just go to modify. Actually, a few things only. Okay, but you also need, you need to remember what you need to setting. Like this one, sky parameters on already. That means it's a lighting. Okay. And then the Skylight actually have a 3 option. Okay, for the first, this one is a use scene environment. Actually, what meaning use scenes environment? Use scenes environment actually is a depend the environment color. Okay, what is environment? Where? Okay, let's say now I want to render. I select the view, this one, perspective view. Okay, so now I just click render production. You can see when you create the Skylight, after render there will a bit slower because this one is a something like advanced level lighting already. So everything come up will be more softened. Okay, especially the shadow, the lighting. Okay, then you can see you are still remember every time we render, we just click render production. Okay, we can see the object and then the background all is black color. So that one is an environment color. Okay, you can see this one also is a black color. Okay, so now I just close because time problem. So now select again. So scene environment. That's me. But if I want change the environment color, the scene environment color, how? Okay, you just go to rendering, environment. Let's say you can see here, it's a black color. So now you can open. Maybe I want to choose yellow color, sky color, something like that. Then now, after if I render, you can see the background is a sky color. Okay, because this one use scene color will follow the rendering environment. This color, this one is a background color for the environment. Okay, just close. So now select the perspective view, render. Okay, so like you can see, your model will be affected, okay, by the color of environment. You can see the model a bit different. Okay, because it's affected by environment. Because the environment color is blue color. Okay, so now close. So now go back to modify again. Double check. Okay, how about the sky color? Sky color actually is a more simple one. Okay, something like, okay, just click. Maybe you want to put like pink color, green color, or yellow color. Then after that, you can see the sky color. That's mean already changed to yellow color. That's mean after render, your model will be affected by the color for the sky. Okay. Okay, how about this one? None. None actually is an option tree. You can put some bitmap, okay, inside this one. Okay, like that. Then after that, your model will be affected by bitmap of environment. If you got time, you can try one by one. And then another one. Remember, if you want to use Skylight, you need to open Cat Shadow. Okay, because we also need the shadow. Okay, you just open. Okay, that's all for the basic lighting for today. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching my video. And if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. So for the next lesson, I will continue to teach you how to use target spot and target direct. Thanks.